If you find yourself in a situation where you're doing an online interview, but the other party refuses to use Skype or Zoom or some other platform where you can record in the application, don't simply mic your phone because that's going to sound thin and no good. I have a better option. Take the XLR to 3.5 millimeter cable off of your wireless receiver. You can add an extra XLR cable if you need more length. Plug the XLR cable into one of the inputs on your camera. Then plug the mini jack, the 3.5 millimeter jack, into the phone or into the lightning adapter for your iPhone. And then plug that into your phone. Now, turn your volume down to about halfway on your phone for best results. That way you don't get any distortion or breakup. This is important. Remember to monitor the audio with your headphones through the camera because you will not hear audio coming from the phone. And then you've got high audio quality on your interview.
National Hockey League to officially cancel our season. There's just no way for us